Greetings and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we've been doing a series on parables, and today's parable is about the thieving manager. So listen good, and if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, of course, we invite you to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what are going on. Right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 16 from verse 1 to verse 9. Jesus tell him special follower them say, you did have one rich man where here same manager did a wasting sitting them. The rich man call him and ask him say, what is me hear about you? Write down where you get and where you spend, cause you can't be my manager again. The manager said to himself, and what me for do now? My master go take away my job. Me not have the strength for dig ground, and me shame for beg. Me know what me go do, so that when my boss fire me, people will still want me to come at them yard. Him calling every one of the people them where owe master. He asked the first one say, how much you owe me master? Him say, 100 barrel of olive oil. The manager tell him say, take your bill, sit down quick and write up 50. Him ask the second one say, how much you owe? 100 bag of wheat, him say. Him tell him say, take your bill and write 80. Even though the manager the thief, the master big him up cause him did smart. The people will belong to the world smarter when them a deal with them one another than God people. Me I tell you this, use the money where you have for do good for people and make friend. So when it done, you will have one home in a heaven. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.